Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall PyCharm Community Beginner Guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling PyCharm Community, first, close the application if it is open. Next, navigate to your computer's control panel. On the control panel screen, find and click on Programs. In the Programs menu, select Programs and Features. Here, you will see a list of all installed software. Scroll through the list until you find PyCharm Community. Click on PyCharm Community to highlight it. After highlighting PyCharm, look for the Uninstall option at the top of the list. Click on Uninstall to start the removal process. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation to uninstall. Click Yes or OK to confirm the uninstallation. The uninstallation wizard will now start. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the uninstallation wizard. Once the process is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now close the uninstallation wizard. To ensure all files are removed, check the installation directory. Typically, this is located in the Program Files or Program Files, x86, folder. If you find any remaining PyCharm folders, feel free to delete them manually. Finally, check your user profile for any leftover configuration files. These are usually found in the .pycharm folder within your home directory. Deleting these folders will help ensure a complete removal of PyCharm Community. You have now successfully uninstalled PyCharm Community from your computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.